Have you ever stopped to think that everything happening in your life is a direct reflection of your subconscious mind? The opportunities that arise, the challenges that appear, and the patterns that keep repeating. Everything is deeply connected to how your subconscious has been programmed over the years. Today, you will discover how to access and reprogram this hidden power within you to transform your reality once and for all. Our mind is divided into two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is what we use daily to make logical decisions, reason, and analyze information. But the real power, the one that shapes our lives on a deep level, lies in the subconscious mind. It stores memories, beliefs, behavioral patterns, and most importantly, it directly influences how we react to the world. And here's the truth. Your subconscious is always working, either for your success or your destruction. It doesn't distinguish between positive and negative. It simply absorbs the information you repeatedly feed it. If you constantly say that you're not capable, that you don't deserve happiness, or that you'll never be successful, your subconscious will make sure those beliefs become your reality. But if you learn to program it correctly, you can transform your life in an extraordinary way. Now think, how many times have you found yourself repeating the same mistakes, living the same relationship patterns, facing the same financial struggles? This is not a coincidence. It's your subconscious programming working behind the scenes, attracting exactly what you believe, consciously or unconsciously. If you want to change your reality, you need to change how your subconscious operates. And to do that, there are powerful techniques that can help you reprogram it. First, the power of repetition. Your subconscious learns through repetition. Whatever you repeat daily becomes an absolute truth for it. That's why positive affirmations work so well. Try repeating phrases like, I am capable, I deserve abundance, I am healthy and prosperous every day. At first it may feel strange, but over time, your subconscious will begin to accept these truths and shape your reality accordingly. The second technique is creative visualization. Your subconscious doesn't distinguish between real and imaginary. If you can visualize something clearly and feel the emotions of that experience as if it's already happening, your subconscious will start working to turn that vision into reality. Another powerful way to access the subconscious is through meditation and deep relaxation. During relaxation states, such as before sleeping or just after waking up, your subconscious is more receptive to new information. This is the ideal time to reaffirm your goals and positive beliefs. Now, a crucial point. Be mindful of what you consume daily. Your subconscious is absorbing everything you see, hear, and feel. If you're constantly surrounded by negative news, pessimistic people, and destructive information, your mind will be programmed to operate at that same low frequency. Protect your energy and carefully select the information you allow into your mind. And here's a secret that few people know: the power of asking the right questions. When you ask a question to your subconscious, it goes into action to find an answer. Instead of asking, why does nothing work out for me? Switch to, how can I make my life incredible from this moment forward? The quality of the questions you ask determines the quality of the answers your mind will find. Now, I want you to reflect. What kind of programming is running in your subconscious right now? Are you operating from limiting beliefs or empowering ones? Your current life is a reflection of your inner mind. If something isn't how you want it to be, it's time to change your programming. If you want to unlock the full power of your subconscious mind and transform your life, start applying these techniques today. What you repeat daily becomes your reality. What you visualize manifests. What you believe becomes your truth. But remember, reprogramming the subconscious isn't something that happens overnight. Just like a muscle that needs regular training to gain strength, your subconscious mind needs consistency and repetition to absorb new beliefs and behaviors. The key to this transformation is persistence. Another essential factor is the language you use daily. The words you choose to describe your life, your work, your relationships, and even yourself are programming your mind all the time. If you're always saying that you're tired, overwhelmed, or that your life is difficult, that's exactly what your subconscious will reinforce. Replace those words with powerful statements like, I am full of energy, my life is evolving every day, I am grateful for all the opportunities coming my way. Moreover, your posture and body language also influence your subconscious. If you walk hunched over with your head down and avoid eye contact, Your brain interprets this as a state of weakness and insecurity. Try maintaining an upright posture, breathing deeply, and making eye contact with people. This sends a powerful signal to your mind that you are in control and ready to face any challenge. Another important point is the need to surround yourself with the right people. Your subconscious is highly influenced by the environment around you. If you spend time with negative, critical people who don't believe in your potential, your subconscious absorbs that energy and begins to limit you. On the other hand, when you surround yourself with people who inspire you, encourage you, and live with purpose, your mind aligns with that positive frequency. And we can't forget the impact of daily habits. Every small action you take daily is shaping your mind and your reality. If you want to reprogram your subconscious for success, start incorporating positive habits into your routine, such as reading, exercising, practicing gratitude, and moments of reflection. Small daily changes can create massive transformations over time. Finally, understand that your subconscious will always respond to what you deeply feel. It's not enough to just say you want something. You need to feel it, believe it, and act as if it's already a reality. The more you vibrate at the frequency of what you desire, the faster your subconscious will work to manifest it in your life. The subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. Everything you feed with emotion and repetition becomes part of your belief system. If you constantly think about failure, difficulties, and limitations, your subconscious will reinforce those realities. But if you start visualizing success, well-being, and achievements, your mind will work to bring that into your life. The key is consistency and focus. What do you choose to feed your mind with? One crucial aspect of subconscious reprogramming is letting go of past conditioning. Many of our limiting beliefs were not consciously chosen but were absorbed from childhood, society, and past experiences. If you grew up hearing that money is scarce, that success is only for a few, or that love always ends in pain, your subconscious might still be operating under those outdated programs. But remember, the past does not define your future unless you allow it to. You have the power to rewrite your internal narrative. Another game-changing technique is gratitude training. Science has already proven that practicing gratitude rewires your brain for positivity, making your subconscious more open to abundance. Before sleeping and upon waking, list at least 3 things you are grateful for. This shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's already working in your life, reinforcing a subconscious pattern of appreciation and attracting even more reasons to be grateful. Equally important is the power of emotional release. Unprocessed emotions, such as resentment, anger, or fear, act as energetic blocks within your subconscious. If you don't actively release them, they continue influencing your thoughts and actions in ways you may not even realize. Journaling, deep breathwork, and forgiveness exercises are powerful tools to cleanse stored emotional baggage, allowing your subconscious to create a fresh foundation for new, empowering beliefs. Another powerful tool is the environment you cultivate. Your subconscious is constantly absorbing stimuli from your surroundings. The books you read, the music you listen to, and the conversations you engage in all send messages to your subconscious mind. If you want to elevate your subconscious programming, surround yourself with high-energy environments, consume empowering content, and distance yourself from sources of negativity that reinforce self-doubt. Also, consider the importance of speaking your new reality into existence. The words you repeatedly speak reinforce subconscious associations. Instead of saying, "I'm trying to be successful," shift to, "I am becoming more successful every day." Your subconscious doesn't recognize trying, it only recognizes being. Speak as if your transformation is already in progress, and watch how your reality begins aligning with your new identity. Finally, never underestimate the power of persistence. Reprogramming your subconscious is not an overnight event. It's a daily practice. There will be days when doubt creeps in, when old habits resurface, and when your mind tries to revert to its familiar patterns. But that's exactly when you need to push forward. Stay committed to your transformation, keep reinforcing positive beliefs, and trust the process. Your subconscious will adapt, and soon, your new mindset will become second nature. Now tell me in the comments, which of these techniques will you start applying today? If this video made sense to you, share it with someone who needs to understand the power of the subconscious mind. And don't forget to subscribe to Motivation You Need for more content like this. Remember, you have the power to reprogram your mind and create the life you desire. It all starts within you.